Welcome to the channel, Words for Voice. We hope you are all doing well. Channel introduction and objectives. Humans are blessed with the gift of language, making us the creatures with the most expressive sounds. Each human race has its own unique language and history, and alongside this variety, humans have created numerous languages to cater to various needs, a process that will continue into the future. The importance of mother language. The language a person learns to speak from their mother as their native tongue. A mother is a child's first teacher, imparting the art of communication from the moment they come into this world. The words learned from one's mother stay with them throughout their life, making the mother language linguistically the most significant. Importance of second language. Learning another language beyond the native language depends on time and circumstances. It is essential to learn the local language of the society in which you reside, especially in a multilingual environment. The choice of a second language is often based on the language of which one has the most knowledge. Learning a second language not only enhances economic and financial opportunities but also holds various other benefits. We will explore this topic further in future discussions. Channel purpose. Our primary aim is to provide you with information related to linguistics. Expect a series of language learning lessons, discussions on language intricacies, and the journey of words from one language to another. We will explore the terminological and lexical meanings of words, along with other captivating topics in linguistics. Moreover, we will feature interviews with individuals who are learning foreign languages beyond their native language. Conclusion. At this point, you have gained an initial understanding of our channel's focus. We'd love to get to know you better. It's a quick and easy process, taking even less time than you've spent watching this video so far. There are 3 simple steps. Subscribe to our channel as your introduction. Hit the bell button to be easily reachable. Hit the like button. Your action will help us maintain our high standards. Thank you for watching this video until the end. We appreciate your support.